Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a pop-up GUI in Roblox. First, open Roblox Studio and navigate to Starter GUI in the Explorer window. Insert a new screen GUI object there. Inside this screen GUI, add a frame or a text button, which will serve as your pop-up. You can then adjust its size and position using the Properties window to fit your design perfectly. Next, let's create a button to open and close your pop-up. Within the same screen GUI, add another text button. This will be your toggle. Place it conveniently on the screen, perhaps in a corner. Rename this button to something descriptive, such as Open Pop-up Button, to keep your project organized and easy to understand. Now for the core functionality, scripting. Insert a local script directly into your toggle button. This script will control the visibility of your pop-up. You'll write a few lines of code to toggle the visible property of your pop-up frame or text button between true and false. Make sure to connect this logic to the button's mouse button one-click event so it responds to player input. To finalize your pop-up, set its initial visible property to false in the Properties window so it doesn't appear immediately. For a more polished look, explore adding simple animations like fading in or scaling up when the pop-up appears. Always test your GUI extensively in Roblox Studio and on various devices to ensure it functions correctly and looks good for all players.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.